Welcome to the best pick. The best Papel Crepe is probably one of the most versatile and vibrant art supplies available, transforming ordinary crafts into extraordinary creations with its unique texture and wide array of colors, making it an indispensable tool for artists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts looking to add a pop of personality and dimension to their projects, from intricate floral designs to lively party decorations. Number 5. Griffith Extra Fine Crepe Paper Rolls. Discover the exceptional quality of extra fine crepe paper, curated by DIY expert Griffith. It's made in Germany to ensure the highest standards for your creative projects. This paper is specifically designed for all your handcrafting needs. It's ideal for tackling larger projects and bringing your most ambitious ideas to life. Each set includes 10 rolls, providing ample material for your creations. You'll have plenty of paper to work with, ensuring you can complete even extensive projects. Explore a stunning array of assorted colors. From soft vanilla and blush to vibrant coral and cranberry, there's a shade for every project. The collection also features rich honeysuckle, deep sangria and aubergine, and natural green tea and cypress. These colors will add depth and beauty to your crafts. Elevate your crafting experience with this superior crepe paper. Its fine texture and quality make it a joy to work with for beautiful, professional-looking results. What we like? This paper is extra fine and crafted in Germany. If you are looking for premium quality for intricate projects, this is a great choice. Its designer collaboration ensures a high standard for your crafting needs. What people say? The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures. The paper is thick enough to hold its shape well when crafting. It's easy to cut and fold, making it great for various projects. Number 4. Griffith LG 11032 Heavy Crepe Paper. Introducing the LG 11032 Heavy Crepe Paper from Griffith, designed for your crafting needs. This high-quality paper is perfect for any project you can imagine. Made in Germany by Floral, this paper is specifically designed for handcrafting. Its heavy weight makes it ideal for creating beautiful, durable crafts. Whether you're making DIY paper flowers, decorations, or kids' craft projects, this crepe paper is your perfect companion. Let your creativity bloom with its versatile applications. This pack comes with 10 assorted colors, offering a wide palette for your projects. You'll have the perfect shade for every creation. Experience the difference of premium, heavy crepe paper. It's the ideal choice for crafters who demand quality and beautiful results. What we like? This is a heavy crepe paper, perfect for creating realistic paper flowers. If you are a beginner crafter or looking for durable material for decorations, this option is ideal. Its weight holds shape beautifully for any project. What people say? The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures. The paper is thick enough to hold its shape well when crafting. It's easy to cut and fold, making it great for various projects. Number 3. Star Brand Packing Crepe Paper Rolls. Introducing Star Brand Packing Crepe Paper Rolls, your go-to for vibrant and versatile crafting. These rolls offer double the length of standard suppliers, providing exceptional value. Each pack includes 6 generously sized rolls in assorted colors. The heavy and thick crepe paper is perfect for parties, floral arrangements, and large art projects. Each roll measures 1.5 feet wide by 8.2 feet long, giving you a total of 12.3 square feet per roll. This pack provides a grand total of 74 square feet of crafting material. Our rolls are neatly trimmed and carefully sealed to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. Made from natural, safe, odorless, and color-fast materials, they are designed with the environment in mind. Create stunning crepe paper flowers that last a lifetime. Use our quality paper to craft beautiful floral bouquets perfect for any celebration, from weddings to birthdays. With their nicely creped texture and consistent color on both sides, these papers are ideal for a wide range of craft projects. Let your creativity bloom with these beautiful, long-lasting supplies. What we like? You get double the length compared to other suppliers, offering a generous 74 square feet. If you're planning large-scale events or extensive craft projects, this provides excellent value. Its natural material is safe and eco-friendly for all your creations. What people say? The crepe paper is vibrant and comes in a good variety of colors, perfect for crafting projects. It's easy to cut and shape, making it ideal for decorations and DIY activities. The paper has a nice texture and holds its form well when folded or twisted. Number 2. NICROLANDEE Rose Gold Premium Crepe Paper Rolls. Introducing our premium crepe paper rolls, designed for your creative endeavors. Made with high-quality, eco-friendly materials, they are perfect for any DIY project. This super value kit includes 8 large rolls of crepe paper streamers in 4 beautiful colors. Each roll offers generous length and width for all your crafting needs. Unleash your creativity with our vibrant, saturated colors, including maple leaf rose gold, brown, light pink, and dark brown. They are specifically designed for crafting stunning paper flowers and decorations. Use these quality crepe papers to craft beautiful floral bouquets that will last for years. They are perfect for adding a special touch to weddings, birthdays, and other celebrations. Add a fun splash of color to any event with this versatile crepe paper. Drape them for an easy backdrop or cut custom shapes to make your decorations truly pop. Whether you're making paper flowers, gift wrapping, or unique party decorations, these rolls provide the perfect medium. Let your imagination run wild with endless possibilities. What we like. This set features premium, recyclable paper in large rolls. If you need vibrant colors for special occasions like weddings or birthdays, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for creating stunning backdrops or detailed paper flowers. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the images online. The paper is thick enough to hold its shape well when used for crafts. It's easy to cut and fold, making it perfect for various crafting projects. Number 1. Coceca 12 Rolls Crepe Paper Streamers. Unleash your creativity with our set of 12 vibrant crepe paper streamers. Each roll offers a generous length, perfect for any celebration. These streamers are designed for effortless decorating. Their bright, saturated colors will instantly liven up any space. From rainbow parties to weddings and birthdays, these are ideal for all your festive needs. They're also great for DIY projects and personalizing your space. Planning a large event? Our unique, large-sized rolls provide ample length, eliminating the need for splicing and making decorating a breeze. Transform your venue with these elegant paper streamers. They are neatly bundled and simple to hang, ensuring a stunning display every time. What we like. With 12 rolls in 12 different colors, this set is perfect for rainbow-themed parties or large decorations. If you need a vast amount of paper for extensive decorating without frequent splicing, these extra-long rolls are incredibly practical. They offer great value for large-scale events. What people say. The crepe paper is vibrant and comes in a good variety of colors, perfect for crafting. It's easy to cut and shape, making it ideal for detailed projects and decorations. The paper has a nice texture and holds its form well, which is great for creating 3D elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.